Welcome back, everybody. It's the Boys State Bulletin. I'm your host, Keon, and I'm reporting live here at lunch from Arkansas Boys State 2023. We've had a lot of issues going on after our natural disaster hit campus yesterday, and I've got a few delegates here to talk about those things and just see where the head is at. What do you think of the situation?
All right, thank you for having me. So, the members of Academy were devastated. They took our ice cream, they took our soda. Most importantly, they took our voice, they took our democracy. They're acting like absolute tyrants right now, and we've got to do something about it.
I feel like that we should be silent. What?
What do you think, Hayden?
Delegates from all counties came together as a united front to stand to have our voices heard. We ask that you guys stand with us in our protest.
We want democracy.
So Magnus, what are counties doing to help the situation?
Well, currently right now we're trying to adjust our funding and see what we can fix to help our civilians, but we don't have that much revenue. We don't have that much money. I mean, we lost our Taco Bell, so we literally can't, we don't make any money.
Governor Pablo Velasco Moya will address the Boys State delegation at the next General Assembly. Stay tuned for the next Boys State Bulletin.